Hello students, good morning all of you. Today our topic is soils. Types of soil. Okay, there are three major types of soil: sandy, clay, and loam. Okay, first we discuss what is soil. Soil is thin layer of materials covering the earth's surface, and it's formed from the weathering of rocks. Okay, soil is the thin layer of materials covering the earth's surface and it's formed from the weathering of rocks. It is made of mainly of minerals, pretzels, organic materials and air and water and living organisms. Okay, soil is made of mainly minerals, pretzels, organic materials, air, water, and living organisms. Some living organisms also live in the soil, earthworm, etc. Okay. First, we discuss three types of soil: sandy, clay, and loam soils. First, we discuss sandy soil. The proportions of large pretzels is higher. Pretzels are loosely packed. Its ability to retain water is low. Water can drain quickly. It is light in weight. More air is trapped between the pretzels. Not suitable for growing crops. Okay? These 7 bits is very important of the sandy soils. Large pretzels in higher and pretzels are loosely packed. Pretzels mean rocks. Okay, its ability to retain water is low and water can drain quickly. It is light in weight. The soil weight is very lightweight. More air is trapped between the pretzels. Okay, more air is trapped between the pretzels and sandy soil is not suitable for growing crops. Okay children, next we discuss clay soil and the proportion of small pretzels is higher. The proportion of fine small pretzels is higher. Pretzels are packed tightly. These types of clay soil pretzels are packed tightly. It can hold a good amount of water. These types of soil hold the good amount of water. Water cannot drain quickly. It is heavy in weight. The clay soil weight is very heavy. Okay, less air is trapped between the pretzels. Less air is trapped between the pretzels. Good for growing various crops. Clay soil is the good soil for growing various mean different types of crops grow in these types of soils. Okay, and last one, loam soil. The best topsoil for growing plants is loam. The top soil is called the loam soil. The best topsoil for growing plants is loam. Loam is soil made with a balance of the three main types of soils. What are they? Sandy soils and silt and clay soils. Okay, loam soil is balance of the three types of soils. Okay, sandy, silt, and clay soil. And loam soil should consist of equal parts of the all three soils types. Okay, sandy soils and silts and clay soils. These are all balance of the three main types of soils. Okay, and this combination of soil types creates the perfect soil structure for the plants growing. This is the perfect soil for the growing crops. Okay, thank you all of you. Are understand? These are the different types of the soils. Okay, thank you all of you.